Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine and has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, because this vehicle does come equipped with a 4K tow package and the Ford Co-Pilot 360 package. We do have a backup camera, as well as looking at the sides, we have these nice black accents, as well as blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do have that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. And taking a look at down here, we do have plenty of storage under the seats. 2 USB-Cs and a nice little hook to hang stuff on, and plenty of door space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your lights and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 16.1 kilometers. We have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. Toggle for your screen, you have your drive modes right here, which you can just click that. Where you have normal, sport, tow and haul, and we have our eco and slippery. Oh, God. And continue to look here, we have our voice, phone, and media, as well as our volume, mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do have our My View, trip and feel, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, traction, cup holders with tons of storage, 12-volt USB and USB-C, leather wrap center console with more storage. You have your volume, play back, play forward, your comm screen, as well as your hazards, max, and auto hold. Looking at our main screen here, we have a nice new 13.2-inch touchscreen, storage above, and we have all our climate controls at the bottom. You have your audio, phone, settings, features, and apps, Wi-Fi hotspot if need be. For your audio, you do get your Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, FM, AM, all the usual. And our settings, you can really customize this vehicle however you please. Oh, come on. And over here we have our features of the vehicle, such as your towing, driving assist, all that jazz. And your apps will be found right here, or any apps you have downloaded will show up with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA09867, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.